Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll cover some of the most common adjectives used to describe food in English. I'll also provide how to use these adjectives in context. So let's get started. Bland. This adjective is used to describe food that is tasteless and not having a strong taste. For example, I find chicken a little bland. This soup is too bland for me. Sweet. Having a taste like sugar. For example, this cupcake is too sweet. Are the cookies sweet enough for you? Sour. It means having an acid taste like lemon. For example, the sauce tasted very sour. The fruit was too sour to eat. Spicy. It means containing strong flavors from spices. For example, Thai food is hot and spicy. This soup is too spicy. Salty. It means tasting of salt or containing a lot of salt. For example, the soup had a very salty taste. The food was good but very salty. Bitter. It means having a strong, unpleasant taste, not salty or sweet. For example, the coffee was bitter. The pill left a bitter taste in my mouth. Burnt. Meaning made black by fire or heat. For example, I was served burnt toast. Stale. This adjective is used to describe food that is no longer fresh and has become hard or dry. For example, the bread in the pantry has gone stale, so I'll have to buy a fresh loaf. Rancid. It means having an unpleasant taste or smell because of not being fresh, especially of fats or oils. For example, butter soon goes rancid in this heat. Rancid oil will taint the flavor. Moldy. We use this adjective to describe food that is covered with or containing mold. For example, strawberries go moldy very quickly. The bread's gone moldy. Mushy. This adjective is used to describe food that is very soft and overcooked. For example, the chef prepared a delicious bowl of mushy peas. The overcooked vegetables had a mushy texture. Crunchy. This adjective is used to describe food that is hard and makes a loud sound when chewed. For example, the toast was delicious and crunchy. This apple is really sweet and crunchy. Crispy. This adjective is used to describe food that is dry and breaks easily when you bite it. For example, fry the potatoes until they are brown and crispy. My brother likes his pizza crust to be crispy. Greasy. It means containing a lot of fat or oil. For example, the food was heavy and greasy. The hamburger is very greasy. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks.